Good morning, guys. I'm Kenneth.
And I'm Irene with Bella.
And we're going to
Zambales.
And so 6 a.m. And we're ready to travel. So let's go! Nasa Silex. Si Daddy ang driver for siguro hanggang sa City Mall.
Hi guys, update. Nag-stop over muna kami somewhere here in Olongapo. Palit na kami ni Daddy mag-drive. So ako naman yung mag-drive hanggang sa destination namin for brunch.
A few moments later.
Yun. Nandito na kami sa area ng Cervandos. Yan. So andun yung parking. Medyo malayo. So if meron kayong kasama ng mga senior or tinatamad maglakad yung mga kasama nyo, pwede naman atang iikot muna.
We arrive! Welcome to Villa Elisa, Servando Restaurant at Botolan, Zambales. So today, join us on a quick weekend beach trip with the whole fam. By land muna ang adventure natin this time. And since medyo matagal-tagal na rin kaming hindi nakakapag-beach together, we decided na it's finally time for a mini getaway. So we chose Zambales for this trip. Bakit nga ba Zambales? Based sa mga reviews and videos na nakita ko online, maganda daw ang beach dito. Mas kalmado at hindi malakas ang waves na perfect for the fam bam. Also, hindi naman ito kalayuan sa hometown namin. Before heading to our accommodation, nag-lunch muna kami since it's still too early to check in. Nag-search ako ng mga best restos here in Zambales and Servando Restaurant came up as one of the top spots. Sa ganda nga naman ng ambience, dito pa lang sulit na. While waiting for our food, picture taking muna kami sa facade ng resto. Dumating na rin ang mga in-order naming food. We ordered lumpiang Shanghai, lumpiang sariwa, their bestseller pork adobo sa mangga, crispy pork sisig, and pansit sotanghon. Siyempre, hindi makukumpleto ang meal without dessert. Kaya naman, we tried their bestseller lava cake. So satisfying panoorin yung melted chocolate habang sinaslice yung cake. After lunch, we decided to check out Villa Elisa. It's a beachfront resort and most of their accommodations are villas suited for big groups. Kaya samahan nyo kami guys, and let's find out together what else this resort has to offer. Based on their website, ito yung Mountain View Villa. Good for 8 packs and rate starts at 22,000 pesos. Ito nga po, napakainit. Naglalakad kami sa tanghaling tapat.
For the vloggers.
So this is Villa Elisa. Punta tayo sa beachfront.
Guys, ang hirap palang mag-vlog. Kaya yung mga gumagawa ng magagandang content, follow nyo. subscribe, like. Tulad namin. Hindi.
Ay, ganda pala dito. Oh. They also have the Sunset Villa, good for 30 packs, and the rate starts at 60,000 pesos. Located din dito sa beachfront ang kanilang cafe and bar. Marami ding available na beach chairs kaya pwede kang mag-relax while enjoying the view. Malaki rin ang place, so this is perfect kung plano nyong mag-trip na malapit lang din sa city. This is a good place for families and barkada. Who knows, maybe next time magkaroon din ng chance na makapag-check-in kami dito sa Villa Elisa.
Hi guys, so ayun, medyo malayo kasi 'di ba yung parking kanina. Naglakad kami. Ito, pabalik kami ngayon sa parking, and then you can pick up your parents. Tulad namin, meron kaming kasamang mga senior. So mainit, malayo. Balik lang kami doon sa car para hindi sila mahirapan din sa paglakad. Medyo biglaan lang din kasi yung pagpunta namin. Hindi siya talaga, parang nag-search lang kami ng a good place to eat. Yun.
Bye! See you later!
Bye kaagad na. Ayun, sige, sunduin lang namin sila. And then maybe when we get to our accommodation, tsaka kami mag-video ulit. Dito na kami, Sunset Villas. Tulog pa ang bebe, you know. Tingnan natin kung ano itsura ng lugar. Yeah, oh my God, sakit na ng aking likod. Pag talaga tumatanda no?
And this is where our accommodation will be. Welcome to Sunset Villas in Palawig, Zambales. It's just 40 minutes away from Servando Restaurant. Stretching muna ang aking daddy. We chose this accommodation kasi it has everything we need. Meron silang pool para sa aming pamangkin, pwede ring magdala ng mga food without corkage. Meron ding cooking and grilling area. Plus, it has its own resto and cafe inside. And most especially, it is a beachfront resort. Based on the reviews, this area in Zambales, mas kalmado ang dagat. Though it's not white sand, pero fine sand naman and hindi mabato, which is okay na okay for us. First room, the casita or the queen room. It is good for 2 packs and rate starts at 3,500 pesos per night. Another room, the cabana or the king suite with ocean view. It is good for 5 packs and rate starts at 7,500 per night. This room has its own kitchenette and bigger restroom with bathtub. One thing to note though by the resort is that some parts of the room could use a bit of maintenance, like the restroom doorknobs and the flickering lights. Hopefully, they can address this soon for a more comfortable stay. After maayos ang bagahin namin, nag-test flight na ng drone ng aking asawa. It's his first time flying our new DJI Neo drone, kaya medyo kabado siya, lalo na at medyo malakas ang hangin that time. If you made it this far, please feel free to comment where you're from so we can greet you. Maraming salamat din sa aming mga subscribers. At this time, busy na ang bartender, yours truly, para mag-serve ng cocktail drinks for everyone. A good friend, CM, taught us a cocktail recipe that tastes just like our favorite drink from Cebu. We got the recipe and now it's time to make it. While enjoying our drinks, chill lang kami dito sa aming beachfront villa. Just some casual chit-chat. At eto na nga po ang bata. Sobrang enjoy na sa sand. It's beach time! Kami as a family, super gusto talaga namin ng beach. Super happy si Daddy kasi na-enjoy niya ang beach this time without any hassle. Since wala naman masyadong alon, mas payapa and mas relaxing mag-swim sa dagat. Kaya if you're planning to have a beach trip, you might want to consider this area in Zambales because it is a kid, senior, and also a pet-friendly resort. Original plan for our dinner, pupunta dapat kami sa market nearby. But upon arrival sa place, wala nang gustong umalis. Buti na lang, nag-offer yung isang staff that will do the marketing for us instead. We had inihaw na liempo and bangus. After dinner, we had a few drinks habang nagchichikahan and eventually went to bed dahil pagod na rin. Early morning, napansin ng asawa ko na medyo kalmado ang hangin kaya naman nagpalipad ulit siya ng drone para makita ang buong view ng resort. Let's enjoy the view, the sceneries, and the beauty of the place.
Swim!
Since it's only a weekend getaway, sinulit na rin namin ang pag-swim sa dagat kasama ang buong fambam.
Hi guys, we're still here in Zambales and we just finished our morning sea swim. Lipat kami ng pool kasi si Jex tatakot kasi sinangnang niya.
Madami nga daw seafood.
Imbis na seafood na sinasabi. Pero anyway, magpo-pool na lang kami. Ayan. Hawak mo. Hi guys!
Hi guys! Wala kami.
Ilan?
Talo ka! Talo ka! Ulit.
After our swim, nag-freshen up lang kami and we're all set to go. Overall, we're glad with our choice of resort. Though, as I mentioned previously, some repairs are needed to be done. Aside from that, it was a great stay. We gotta make the most out of this weekend trip, that's why we have one more stop to make, and of course, we'll grab lunch before heading back. Welcome to Palaya Shrimp Farm. This place is known for its fresh and high-quality shrimp, and I'm so excited to visit this place because it is only 6 minutes away from our accommodation. The farm spans 21 hectares and specializes in cultivating Vietnamese shrimps. They use advanced technologies to ensure top-notch care for their shrimp, from filtration systems to maintaining perfect water quality. Based on my research before going here, I can say that their fresh shrimps are absolutely a must-try. Kaya talagang kasama ito sa aming itinerary. This is where their resto and cafe is located. By the way, it is an outdoor setup pero well-ventilated din naman ang area. Luckily, this cabin was still vacant. Kaya we grabbed this chance and asked permission if we can take a look even just the outside of the cabin. Thankfully, they said yes. Based from their website, they offer different types of cabin to cater different number of guests. The cabin price ranges from 3,250 pesos to 16,000 pesos per night. So whether you're coming with a small group or big one, may options sila for you guys to choose from. Ito rin yung iba pa nilang cabins, and they also have other activities to enjoy while staying with them. Lunch is served. We got tortang talong, half kilo ng sinigang na hipon, truffle shrimp pasta, half kilo of Thai curry, stir-fry beef, and 1 kilo buttered garlic shrimp. Kainan na! The aftermath. Ang sarap talaga ng hipon. Ang laki and sulit naman talaga ang pagdayo. Sabi nga nila, no trip to a shrimp farm is complete without tasting their fresh shrimps. Time for a quick tour with the shrimps. To be honest, we're all looking forward with Dala, or the shrimp catching experience. Basically, this is when we, the guests, gather the shrimp from the ponds using a traditional method called Dala, which involves using a net and some manual techniques to catch fresh shrimps. But unfortunately, hindi namin na-experience ang Dala kasi kaka-harvest lang pala nila ng mga shrimps during our visit. As you can see, iilan lang ang functioning kasi starting pa lang sila ulit mag-cultivate ng shrimps. Kaya naman, that's another reason for us to go back here. That's me waiting for our to-go coffee para hindi antokin sa pagdadrive going back home. And that concludes our quick getaway Zambales trip. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to comment a green heart emoji down below. And of course, like and subscribe for more adventures. See you on our next videos.